So there's a lightning storm, well, thunderstorm, currently going on. And I don't know if I've ever mentioned this, but I am pretty much terrified of lightning, getting hit by lightning. There's a pretty large gap between me and my computer right now because I don't want to get hit by lightning. That's really scary. I don't know if you can see that because I have this window closed. Um, yeah, it's not been fun. I feel like I'm very alone. I'm very scared and very much near tears. This is not fun for anyone at all. I yeah, don't care for it. Not one bit. I'm in the dark too. I should turn on a light, but it's not going to help because I'm just going to think light's going to be attracted to light. It makes no sense. I know that. I know that. I'm a smart person. Science. I know it. But that's the way my mind works. And it's stupid. I make no sense. I'm very frightened. I hate everything.